15 common mistakes we all make without realizing. Have you ever wondered if some of your daily habits hold you back? We often fall into routines that feel normal but secretly create problems in our productivity, relationships, and well-being. Let's dive into 15 common yet surprising mistakes and how to avoid them, starting today. One more hour won't hurt, right? Skipping sleep to get more done can seem productive, but lack of sleep harms your focus and health. Prioritize rest. It's the ultimate productivity booster. Juggling tasks might feel efficient, but studies show multitasking reduces productivity and increases errors. Instead, focus on one task at a time to achieve better results. Do you struggle to say no? Overcommitting drains your time and energy. Practice setting boundaries to protect what matters most to you. Putting others first is noble, but neglecting yourself leads to burnout. Self-care isn't selfish, it's how you ensure you're at your best for everyone else. Putting off that 2-minute email or dishwashing session? Tiny delays add up quickly. Handle small tasks right away to stop stress from snowballing. Social media makes this too easy, but comparison kills happiness. Focus on celebrating your wins and personal growth instead. Your journey is uniquely yours. Flying by the seat of your pants leads to chaos. Even a 5-minute plan can save hours of wasted time. Make intentional planning part of your routine. In busy lives, it's easy to forget to appreciate what we have. Gratitude has science-backed benefits. Try writing one thing you're thankful for daily. Think exercise is optional? Skipping movement affects mood, energy, and longevity. Even simple activities like walking boost physical and mental health. Fear of confrontation leads to unresolved tension. Facing issues head-on with kindness and clarity helps build stronger relationships. Too much screen time impacts mental focus and sleep. Set limits on your devices and make time to unplug. It's refreshing for both mind and body. Eating on autopilot leads to poor food choices and overeating. Practice mindful eating, focus on flavors, textures, and hunger cues to build healthier habits. Ignoring financial planning invites stress. Whether it's tracking expenses or setting goals, creating a simple budget transforms how you save and spend. Many avoid opportunities due to fear of mistakes. Failure is part of growth. Embrace setbacks as lessons and keep pushing forward. In the hustle to achieve, we forget to enjoy the present. Pause to savor life's small moments. They're what truly make life meaningful. Making small adjustments goes a long way. Which mistake surprised you most? Let us know in the comments. If this video offered value, like, share, and subscribe for more tips on living better every day. Take charge of your life. Start correcting these common errors today.